It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with UNice here once again. So it's the same packaging as usual. There's a drawstring bag as well as a box with all the content, but that drawstring bag is going to come in clutch for storage, especially when you cleanse your wig and you just want to put it away. So the first thing, of course, is the wig, which we're going to get into in a few. And then I got 2 pairs of wig caps. That's all the goodies I got today. And this is UNice's Byebye Slip Yaki 24-inch long straight wig. It's a 7x5 closure wig. It's a HD lace closure and it's a drawstring cap construction. So this is perfect for the beginners. Literally a slip on and go. As you can see, it has 2 knobs to help with adjusting how tight or loose you want it to be. It's a 1B color. And I love this texture. It feels so strong and natural, you know. I went ahead and the first thing I did was adjust the drawstring, which is very easy. Anybody can do this. You pretty much just adjust that to how tight you want it to be. And I was showing you guys the security. So I did a little shake test there. But I love how nicely the lace blends down. It looks so realistic. That looks amazing. Okay, this was customized so beautifully. As you can see, the lace is giving scalp. Okay, it's a 10 out of 10. Also, I did not experience a lot of shedding on this at all. Maybe just a few strands. So that's also amazing. The hair didn't come with any weird smells as well. So that's good. I pretty much just went into yeah, I was feeling it. I pretty much just went into showing you guys more of how the hair looks straight out of the packaging. Like, it is stunning. If you want to just go ahead and wear it just as is, trust you can do that. It's giving a natural straight vibe and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to just show you guys how much parting space you're working with. So if you want to switch the parting up, you can very much still do that as well. The lace is giving scalp. Okay, I love how spacious this closure is. I always love a good 7x5.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heart beat.
So then I pretty much went into my first style. You know, I'm going to give you a few options. Okay. So my first style, I pretty much, I always explore this, even though it's not a 360 wig, it's a drawstring. And I feel like drawstrings are so convenient to do like updos with. So as you can see, I pulled the hair in a bun and it's so cute. So cute. So that was look number 1.
When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
And then for look number 2, I pretty much was just playing around, showing you guys the versatility. I went ahead and did 2 ponytails. Okay. Yeah. So fun.
Do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
And then for the third look, I pretty much just went in with my wax stick, got the top flat so it would lay really nicely. And I went over top with my hot comb. And then afterwards, I'm going to follow up with my flat iron. So we're going to do that bone, silky, straight vibe with that bust down middle part.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk.
And that's like butter. Honestly, if you want a realistic, like silk press type of vibe, you're gonna love this texture. Okay, I 10 out of 10 highly recommend. As I said, very minimal shedding, so I am in love with that.
Oh yeah.
So I decided that I wanted to go ahead and put a few curls in this, like loose curls. So if you wig, you can see the versatility with this wig. So I got my automatic curler and I curls away. I really just wanted some more like loose curls. I didn't want anything too tight. So these are just big and loose and effortless.
Dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out.
But yeah, that's it, guys. Did all of that while the hair is glueless, the wig rather. And this is what it's giving. That's a final look that I explored. Let me know what you guys think. I linked this wig if you want this. It's down below in the description box, as well as all the specifications. Shout out to UNice here once more for today's gorgeous wig look. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.